guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I've made a new intro. I am very excited for using this because I spent a few times trying to make this, and I've used filters from an app called Filto on my phone, and that's about that. So today we're going to be making a quote book, as you can see already in the video. And here's me decorating with the scraps paper that I own and some pictures. I will tell you how I sort of like put the papers together and made it into a notebook in just a second. But basically, this is sort of a relaxing video, just showing you how I made this little quote book filled with my favorite quotes, and all of them are in Chinese. Well, you can't really read it, but it's fine. So here's my little envelope of decorations, and that's my washi tape collection, so I wanted to use a little bit to spice up my scrapbook a little bit more. I have filmed a video a few months ago when I started this channel about my stationery. Obviously, I've updated on it recently, so I think I am going to make another video showing my sort of scrapbooking or washi tape collection and organization. So we're gonna look forward to that. Here is just a little flip through of what I've got so far, just a decoration obviously, and then we're going to be filling in the quotes in just a sec. So here is how I put this little notebook together. So I basically used three staples to staple them together, and then I put a little bit yellow washi tape on the outside to sort of seal it together. And I feel like this is a really great way to put up a notebook together yourself, and it's really easy. And here's my collection of quotes that I always keep in my notes on my laptop. So whenever I see a quote that I like, I just copy and paste it in here. So I have this collection of it. I can always write it down whenever I need to. So here's me starting to write the quotes down. It took me a while because Chinese characters are very hard to write and it takes a long time. And I also spent quite a while to pick which quotes are my favorite and that I want to include in this quote book. Another detail that I forgot to mention is that the flaws of using staplers, because you cannot stack like a lot of paper together and try to staple it together because it's not going to go through. So if you want to make something like this little sort of book, or you want to make like a little zine, you can always use staples. So here is the final product. I've also used the Filto app to add beautiful rainbow filters to this, so it looks so much more aesthetic. But now just a flip through to show you what I've done. I really hope you like this, or that you could try to do something like this as well. Writing down my favorite quotes is such a relaxing thing and fun thing to do, so I really enjoyed doing this project. A tip for doing a scrapbook like this is that you need to make sure that you leave blank spaces in between every pages and not try to fill up the page with all text or all pictures, because that's going to make the page look very crowded and not very good. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Make sure to check out some of my other videos as well. Bye!